Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a PC run 3 times faster. So let's get started. I'll show you my speed of my computer right now. Task manager. I'll show you my performance. It's like 1.8 and 1.6. It's so slow. So let's get started. First you have to see is your power plan. So I've given you the command line for your ultimate performance. Copy this text and open command as administrator. Yes, and you're gonna paste it, click enter, and it shows ultimate performance. Now go to your power plant settings, power options, advanced power settings. Now you can see an option called ultimate performance here. Click on ultimate performance and change plan settings. Change advanced plan settings. I'm gonna explain each of one of it. Internet Explorer, JavaScript time frequency should be maximum performance. On the desktop background settings, slideshow should be paused. Wireless adapter, power saving mode should change it as maximum performance. And Intel graphics or AMD, make it as maximum performance here too. And PCI Express, switch it off. You'll be getting an option like moderate power saving maximum person, just off it. And the most important is the processor power management, and the maximum power processor state will be 100% in both battery and plugged in. System cooling should be active and minimum would be 100. And that's it in the power options. Apply. Okay, and next we're gonna do is clean up your junk space, which takes like 4 to 6 GBs. What you have to do is just hit Windows plus R and type TEMP and click enter. I have just now deleted all the files. Yeah, you just have to select all of them and delete them. Some may not go, so you can just skip them. And the next one, again you gotta press Windows plus R and type percentage temp percentage and hit enter again. Now see, I've got a junk so soon, and select everything and hit the delete key. And the last one is Windows R, type prefetch and hit enter. I have deleted just now, so it's not present, so you just have to select everything and delete. And don't forget this, you have to empty your recycle bin. And the next thing is you have to optimize your drives. So go to your file, go to this PC, select your C drive or the drive which you are using to run your PC. Right click it, properties, go to tools, and you have to go for optimize and defragmenting drives. Click optimize and you get another option here to optimize. I have optimized yesterday, so well, not okay. That's okay, I'll try it again. And it's gonna take a while, like 20 to 10 minutes, because it has to analyze and delete the junk files. I got 30 GB in this. I can't believe it. 30 GB junk, serious? Okay, I will stop it. Okay, the next thing we are gonna do is display settings. Scroll down, go to graphics settings, browse, locate your game exe file. I'm locating my Need for Speed Most Wanted game. I'm adding it. Then you have to select options, select it as high performance and save them. And the next thing is go to settings again, gaming, Switch the Xbar game bar and open Xbar using this unticket, and this is gonna give you a lot of performance. We don't need capture game mode because that reduces a lot of performance because it records as you play. Okay, let's close this. Now next we are gonna do is I'll show you my NVIDIA control panel, which is the best settings for your games. And we have got our NVIDIA control panel, and we have got it here. Let's put global setting as high graphics. So I'll show you a particular game, and you can use this for all of your other games. You have to wait for a while because it takes some time. Yeah, we have got it so fast. Okay, next, now we'll select the Need for Speed Most Wanted again, and select the preferred graphics processor for this program. Select it as high performance. Scroll down. Anisotropic filtering should be off because we are in a low-end PC. You don't need them. Off and off. Next is the maximum pre-rendered frames. Should be the max you have, 4. And CUD and GPU should be all. It's all by default. And OpenGL rendering should be your graphics card. And power management mode should be prefer maximum performance. Never put prefer consistent performance because it gets so hot and performance decreases. So prefer maximum performance. And your shader cache should be on. And the next one is the texture filtering will be allowed as by default, and texture filtering quality should be high performance. And the next texture filtering should be on, and we'll go to the last one, which is virtual reality pre-rendered frames should be the max again. Apply the settings and you're done with your game. Yeah, it's completed. Adjust image settings with preview. So use the advanced 3D image settings and hit apply. And your physics configuration should be your graphics card, of course. GeForce 870M is my graphics card, so I'm gonna apply it. Apply. Again, it's gonna take a while. It shows applying changes right in the center of your screen. And we are done. The next thing we are gonna do is go to your system. Go to your system information and hit advanced settings. And here's the important thing. I'm gonna close all the tabs. Go to advanced performance settings, and you can adjust for best performance if it's slower than slower. And go advanced in the performance option and select programs. Now go to the virtual memory, change. It depends on the storage available on your device. You can pick any number from 1 GB to 12 GB, your choice. So I kept 12 GB. So 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB. So 12 GB is 12,288 MB. So click set, OK, apply, OK, and another OK. And the next thing is graphic properties. I think this is for Intel users. I am not having AMD right now. So first thing is go to your display settings and select resolution, the highest settings would be better. Refresh rate, the maximum refresh rate, and rotation 0. Scale to full screen. Other things. So next, go to the next one, 3D settings. Application optimal mode, enable. Anti-aliasing can reduce your performance, so turn it off, and another anti-aliasing, turn it off. And the general settings will be performance. The change in profile. Let's go to video and application settings. Advanced, disable your total color correction. Image enhancements, application settings, skin tone disable, image scaling disable, gamut mapping disable, and the last one is a power supply, maximum performance, on battery maximum performance, and that's it with your Intel. The next thing is to enable all of your cores. So hit Windows plus R and type msconfig and hit enter. You're gonna get system configuration option and go to boot, go to advanced options and tick number of processors and select the maximum number you have and hit OK, and you're not gonna change anything else in this page, and go to services, untick which you don't need, which you don't want to start when your Windows opens up. I'm hiding all Microsoft services. I don't want TeamViewer to run when I open, so I've unticked it. Now that's all in the system configuration. Apply, OK, and you're gonna restart. And the last thing you're gonna do is disable the apps in your startup. Open Task Manager, go to startup, disable as much as you can. Now I don't need Epic Games to launch, so I've disabled it. And that's it guys. This is gonna increase the performance in your PC. Oh, look at this guys, I've written to 2.49, it's close to 2.5 gigahertz. That's really fast. I made it go from 1.7 to 2.5. That's awesome. Hope that this works for you. Subscribe, like, share. Bye bye.